Prep test 65, game number 2, question 10 asks us, if n is sixth, which of the following must be true? So let's go ahead and get our master drawing up here and place n into our sixth position. If n is in the sixth position, when we look at our limited options up here, it means we can't use that one, or that one. Therefore, P, S, and T must be 1, 3, and 5. Remember, in a previous question, we talked about how both S and T must have other variables after them. Therefore, neither of them could go in the fifth position, and it must be P that's assigned to that one. Spots 1 and 3 can therefore be either T or S, and depending on which is selected, spots 2 and 4 are either W or O. So, which must be true? A. O is in the fourth position. It might be true, but it doesn't have to be true. P is in the fifth position. That's looking pretty good so far. S is in the third position. Might be, but not necessary. T is in the first position. Again, might be true, but not necessarily true. And W is in the fourth position. Yet again, possibly, but not necessary. So B is the correct answer.